Most Americans don't realize this yet, but a new banking scam is spreading across the United States right now. And the dangerous part? It looks completely real. Thousands of people have reported receiving a text message that appears to be from their bank. The message says something like, "Suspicious activity detected on your account. Click here to verify." It creates urgency. It creates fear, and it makes you react without thinking. Here's how the trap works. You receive a message that looks official. It uses your bank's name. Sometimes it even includes a fake transaction amount like $742 purchase declined, verify immediately. Now think about that for a second. If you see a charge like that, your heart rate goes up. You don't stop to analyze the link, you just want to stop the damage. That emotional reaction is exactly what scammers depend on. When you click the link, it takes you to a website that looks identical to your bank's login page. Same logo, same colors, same layout. You enter your username and password, and in that exact moment, you didn't log into your bank, you handed your credentials directly to a criminal. Within minutes, they attempt to transfer money, reset your password, or drain your account completely, but it doesn't stop there. After gaining access, many of these criminals attempt something called account takeover. They log in, they change your password, they change your recovery email, they change your phone number, and suddenly you're locked out of your own bank account. Now you're not just dealing with stolen money. You're dealing with identity theft, because once they have access, they collect personal data, full name, address, date of birth, sometimes even social security details if linked. That information can be sold within hours. This is not random crime. It's organized. Automated systems send thousands of messages per hour. They don't need everyone to fall for it. Just a small percentage is enough to steal millions. And here's what makes this even more dangerous. These scams are evolving. Some victims receive follow-up phone calls from someone pretending to be a bank representative. They sound professional. They build trust. They say they're helping secure your account, but it's all part of the same operation. Even artificial intelligence tools are being used now. Better grammar, better formatting, even voice-cloned calls. This is no longer the obvious broken English scam from years ago. It looks real, it feels real, and that's why it works. And there's another strategy most people don't notice. These scams often happen late at night or during weekends. Why? Because bank support teams are limited during those hours, which gives criminals more time to move money before detection. Now let's talk about how you shut this down completely. Rule number 1. Your bank will never ask you to verify sensitive information through a random text link. Never. If you receive a suspicious message, do not click anything. Instead, open your official banking app directly, or manually type your bank's website into your browser. Never use the link provided in the message. Rule number 2. Enable two-factor authentication on every financial account you have. Yes, it adds one extra step, but that one extra step can block criminals from accessing your money. Rule number 3. Turn on real-time transaction alerts. Most banking apps allow instant notifications for every purchase or login attempt. Activate it. Criminals often test accounts with small amounts first. $5, $10. If that goes unnoticed, they escalate. Rule number 4. Use a separate email address just for banking, not the same one connected to social media or random websites. If your main email gets compromised, your financial accounts stay protected. Rule number 5. If you suspect identity exposure, consider freezing your credit. In the United States, this can be done for free. It prevents criminals from opening new loans or credit cards in your name. Prevention takes minutes. Recovery can take months. And here's something important. Scammers rely on emotion, fear, urgency, panic. The moment you slow down and think clearly, you break their strategy. If a message pressures you to act instantly, that's your red flag. Pause, verify, then act. Because in today's digital world, protecting your money is no longer optional. It's a skill, and the people who stay informed are the people who stay protected. If this helped you, share it with someone today. One warning could save someone's entire savings. Stay alert, stay smart, and protect your money.